You tired of hearing this sound? It doesn't sound good, does it? So let's change those wiper blades out, alright? First things first, you gotta make sure your blades are bad before you change them. That's obvious. Alright, well, second and most important thing is if they're on the metal trim, they're going to scratch your window. So I urge you to change your wiper blades as soon as you can, unless you want to replace your windshield. That can get kind of pricey. So right now we're going to take these off, and I'll show you how to undo these clips. Now, see, this car is kind of hard to get in here to do them, but there's a little push lever underneath this type of clip. Push that lever up and then slide the wiper blade back. There we go. There's our first wiper blade. Yeah, you can see that's kind of toasted. Alright, so on to the next one. Alright, so we go. It's important not to have the car on when you're doing this, because you could scratch your window, because this is just bare metal on here. That will scratch. Alright, so here are the new wiper blades. These do have metal. And so when these do go, I definitely need to change them. But they'll last a long time. And you know, you get the more expensive ones, but the more expensive ones won't work on this car because they're really bulky and they're just not made for this type of application. So these are a little cheaper ones, but I like them because they are all metal. They'll last a lot longer. Alright, so they have a universal clip on them that you'll be able to adapt them to whatever vehicle that you have. So some have the pin style, some have the hook style like this car, and so there's the old versus. So these clips, they push out the wiper blade here. So you see that plastic clip? Now it's kind of a universal clip. It comes out because if you have a pin style, you have the hole that goes in there and you clip that down on top of it and it locks it in. But this is a hook style. So this hook on this car is going to slide over this and lock in. So there it is. So go and watch me do that. Now you pull this up a little bit and go your clip up till it clips. Take that. And the wiper blades in. Alright, so get it started. Clips. There you go. That's in. So now we're gonna have to trash these. Alright. So I'll test them out. So you remember at the beginning of the video we had those horrible wipers? Now we got new wipers. And they run really good and really smooth. They don't streak, they don't move, they're perfect. So it's really easy, you can do it yourself. Alright, so thanks for watching.